So that's what we're doing. We're resetting the house today. And the kitchen is what I need to tackle. Good morning. It's a Monday. It's very early. It's 7:30 and I thought I'll get a head start on resetting the house today. That is my plan for all of today, resetting the house, and if I've successfully done that by like 2 p.m. then I'm going to see if I can go and visit the library and get some books out for Alexander. But I'm wanting to do like a proper reset, like a bit of decluttering and organizing whilst I'm resetting the house. And I'm so excited. So when I'm in this mood, I just gotta ride with it and not like fight it. So that's what we're doing. We're resetting the house today. So the living room is all clean. I vacuumed the floors as well, so that feels really nice because on these black carpets you can literally see every little thing. Keeping this because it's so comfy to like chill in the middle of the day. I put some of Alexander's toy in this basket and put the rest of his toys in his room, and I'm liking how this looks. But now this room and the kitchen is what I need to tackle, and obviously all of the other rooms in the house. It's just going to be a lot of work, but I'm happy, excited. It's coffee time. Okay, Alexander's down for his nap, and so the next place I'm going to tackle is the bathroom. And I've been wanting it to organize the drawers since the day we moved in here. There's just way too much stuff in there, so I'm going to just get rid of everything, pretty much, and declutter and clean. So let's do that now. So I've got all my tanning products in here and like skin prep, all my like hair claw clips and stuff in here, and like brushes and things. Got my moisturizers and oils for my skin in here, brushes in here, and then makeup, main makeup in here, and extra makeup in here. Then got Joe's shaving stuff in here. Got a little bit of hair stuff. This is my everything shower basket, so it's got all of just like pampering things in there, and this is more like hair product stuff and my fragrances. So yay, that's all done. Now I just have to tidy up this cabinet thingy and also the inside of that, so let's do that. Hello, it's much later on in the day and I'm currently in the middle of making our dinner. I'm doing a slow cooker meal again. I look rough today because it is reset day. Gotta reset myself tonight pretty much. But I thought I would just share with you the recipe that I am following. I got this recipe from TikTok. Just give me a second. Again, I'm not like looking at the exact ingredients. I'm just eyeballing it. So, into the slow cooker, chorizo, some tomato, chicken, and chopped up garlic. And then some chicken stock. Mix that all in, adding some basil. I'm going to add some salt in here as well. Then apparently you cook that for 3 hours on high, and then 50 minutes before you want to eat it, you pour some risotto in there with some more vegetable or chicken stock, and then you add some tomato in and spinach and cream, and then it's like this like creamy pasta chicken tomato dish. So I'm excited to try that. I've been craving this for a bit now, so finally gonna make that tonight, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this will taste. I think I might add some tomato paste in here because the guy did add some sort of paste to this mixture, so I think I might add some tomato paste. Yeah, about that much. It just makes the sauce a bit more red. So I think that's what you want to do. So let's just let that marinate for 3 hours. I'm going to see if I can tidy up some more in the house. I really need to clean my room. But I also kind of want to do that tomorrow and just sit on the couch and edit yesterday's vlog. So I don't know. I'm torn. It's 4:41 p.m. and I'm just going to add some pasta to this now. So it says to put 100 grams of pasta with 1 liter of water. I have put in 500 mils of chicken stock. So I'm gonna put in 250 grams of pasta. Gonna stir that in. Oh, that looks lovely. It smells amazing. And then I'm gonna add in some spinach. I'm also going to add 2 blocks of cream cheese in there because I don't have any cream with me. But I'm sure anything dairy, even yogurt would work perfectly fine. Mix that in. I'm gonna be so gutted if it doesn't work. I think I'm gonna add in the spinach like towards the very end. Because I feel like if I put in the spinach now, it's just gonna soak up all of the liquid. The sauce is looking more creamy, so that's good. And now I'm just waiting for the pasta to cook. So we'll see what that looks like soon. I just put some spinach in there, so I'm just waiting for the heat to kind of like wilt it. But I wish you could smell this. It actually smells incredible. I don't know if this is actually a bit too like sloppy. Asking ourselves a question that we saw Zoe and Alfie answer in their vlog, and I thought it would be interesting to kind of know what our answers would be. So the question is, if I was cloned, what question would you ask that only I would know to figure out if you're talking to the clone or not? I would ask what's your password?
Oh, yeah.
Because no one knows that.
Yeah, that would be a great one.
Yeah.
Describe your favourite pet when you were a kid.
Junior.
Yeah. And how did he walk?
Oh, yeah. How do you remember that?
You told me about Junior many times.
He had a little big leg. Oh. Oh, I would ask you.
Yeah.
Unless your family cloned you, they would know the answers to this too. But what was the 3 cats' name? That was, yeah. And what day were they born?
Yeah, and what day were they born?
I was about to answer that question myself.
Yeah, they were all born on my birthday in the living room. Possum, Smudge, and Ben. But I actually have a brother named Ben as well.
Yeah, why did you guys name the cat Ben?
Because they weren't actually ours.
Oh.
Because Possum was actually named Bill. But we called Possum Possum because his meow was like...
Like what?
It was a little bit scratchy.
Oh.
And so we just called him Possum because we felt like he suited it.
Oh.
And then Ben just stayed as Ben.
Oh, that's what I'd ask you.
Yeah.
If we got 2 cats, what would we name them?
Miko and Mango.
You're not the clone.
Yeah.
You passed the test.
What was your favourite beverage in Italy?
Yeah, only I would know that.
Yeah.
Wine box.
Yeah.
Boxed wine.
Boxed
wine.
Yeah.
Small little boxed wine.
Yeah. I just keep on trying to think of more because it's fun.
I know, but I don't think it's like that hard. You can just do passwords.
No.
Okay, we're gonna call it a night. Thank you guys for tuning in for another day. And thank you for the messages I've received. I've received a few messages saying, I love your vlogs, I watch them every day.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, and my mum is one of them.
Nice.
She's like, I look forward to them every morning.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really sweet.
That's so cool.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.